I'm Amy Blain of Bright Ideas Marketing with digital marketing ideas for your business. In this series of videos, I'll discuss various ways to harness the power of the internet to drive new customers your way, with the latest techniques that you may or may not be aware of, as well as the essential basics that you may or may not be doing in the most effective way. This video will cover our pay-per-result SEO service. In this video, we will go over a pay-per-result search engine optimization SEO explanation, what we do and how we do it, our commitment to our clients, and then some case studies. So what is pay-per-result SEO? You may be familiar with the term SEO or search engine optimization, but when we talk about pay-per-result SEO, we're talking about your website ranked on page 1 for keywords that you choose or you don't pay. It's very simple. It can also be referred to as pay-for-performance SEO. It's a commitment that your website will show up on page 1 or you don't pay for the keywords or key phrases that you've chosen. Only when we rank your website in the top 10 organic spots of Google for your search terms will you pay. It's that simple. Here's exactly what we do and how we do it. Did you know that Google changes their search algorithm 300 times a year? They do. And our 80+ step proprietary search engine optimization process is continuously rewritten to adapt to Google and its evolving algorithm updates. This service can include writing content for SEO, optimizing website code for SEO, optimizing existing content for SEO, listing of the site across main search engines, social networks, and directories, creating and distributing relevant content to link back to the website, mobile optimizing, and much more. Here's how the SEO process works. You choose the keywords and phrases. We can help you with that. We optimize your site using our 80+ step proprietary SEO process, which is continuously updated to adapt to Google algorithm updates. You get ranked. If you don't pay. Simple. Here's SEO in a nutshell. To give you a simple example of what we do, imagine you're opening a clothing store and want to rank for the term t-shirts. This page contains a prominently displayed t-shirt. However, search engines will also see button-down shirts, dress shirts, polo shirts, sleeveless shirts, jerseys, and tuxedos. This dilutes the relevance of the t-shirt and will categorize this page as being more about men's shirts than a specific item like t-shirts. This page is optimized for the phrase t-shirts. In this example, a page on the clothing store website has been dedicated solely to t-shirts. This new relevant landing page is also referenced by other linking websites and social media channels. This shows search engines that our new t-shirts page is not only relevant on site, but also recognized, referenced, and supported by relevant off-site properties as well. So what's the end result? We get you here, on the first page for your keywords. Our commitment is that your website will be ranked on page 1 for the keywords that you choose or you don't pay. Simple. Every month, you'll get an online report showing your current ranking per keyword phrase, the changes in rankings per keyword, and related graphs over time. Here are a few case studies of our clients. This one is for Folsom Lake Asphalt. They have 17 search phrases ranked on the first page of Google. Here's Beverly Hills Plastic Surgery. They have 24 search phrases ranked on page 1 of Google, resulting in millions in potential sales. And 128 Plumbing has 74 search phrases ranking on page 1 of Google. We've been working with them for 11 years. Burton's Bar and Grill has a whopping 283 search phrases ranked on page 1 of Google. We've been working with them for 6 years. JJ's Best has 26 search phrases on page 1 of Google, and we've been working with them for 7 years. And finally, HR Knowledge. We've been working with them for 7 years also, and they have 65 search phrases on the first page of Google. Want to put us to work for your website and your business? Click the link in the description below to book a call so we can discuss how we can put pay-per-result SEO to work to grow your business.